So if you want to see my hair turn from this to something different, keep watching. I mean, why not? Why not? Let's do it. What's up, beautiful? Okay, so today I am done with these braids. Like, I am about to take down these braids. Actually, I'm not taking them down. I'm gonna cut them. I'm done. You know, they had a good run. Yeah, and it was my first time doing the ones with like box braid, goddess box braids, whatever. And they were really, really long. Like, can you see? Like, they're honestly starting to get like matted and weird. I just came back from a trip and I'm literally, ooh, my hair, I was oiling my scalp, you know, trying to preserve them. Yeah, they took like 8 to 9 hours, and I was really trying to justify keeping them in here, so I didn't take them down. I was trying to keep them as long as possible, which obviously you see I'm not taking them down. I'm just about to cut them. My hair comes like right here. I'd rather cut them too long than too short. About right here. Okay, 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 babe. You know what I'm saying? That's not too hard. It's like not having an angle when you do it. Does that look pretty even? And y'all, don't mind Bianca over there. She's wearing my robe and my work hat, so yeah. Yes. Okay, so that's all of them from this side. And as you can see, I had like different colors in here, which was 33, I think. 1B, which is the black one, and then the brown one, I want to say it was like 3 or 4, something like that. This is the hard part, trying to match this side with this side. So let's see. So I don't actually know how that looks or how even that is. Oh my gosh, wait a minute. I think I see it's not even. Okay. Feel like one, they're not even. So I want to do them shorter. I feel, yeah, I want to do them shorter. I just hope I'm not touching into my hair. Whoa, this is gonna be weird. I was trying to be considerate, but hey.
And now you have a chance to save him.
Montage. Okay, it's not as even as I like, but beggars can't be choosy. Good enough. I'm gonna start rubber banding each one of them. I'm gonna decide whether I like the rubber band method or just burning the ends. Might do both, because I'm gonna have to re-braid these, honey. Oh goodness. Okay, let's get into it. band all of them. Took ages. It's still uneven. Really don't care. But now, 1 second. We get to burn them, honey. So I'm gonna burn a few of them and see how I like it. Yep. Gonna burn them all. So I'm trying to think of the smartest way to do this. And lighting a match, and lighting a lighter every time is difficult, so. I'm gonna light this instead. I'm gonna dip them. Oh, look. Oh, look. Yes, honey. Yes. Yes. And this is where we're at right now. You know. But that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. So this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If not, sorry. I guess this is it because my camera is definitely about to die. But yeah, this is litty. It's cute, you know. I'll keep it for like a couple more days and then I'll take them out. So if you guys like the video, then let me know something. So if you liked it, please like and subscribe. You dig? Know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications if you want to. You ain't got to, you know what I'm saying? I like it, I'd appreciate it. But you know, whatever floats your boat, shorty. And yeah, so I'll see you on the next video, guys.